Hello, I'm Pep Rosenfeld from Boom Chicago, and it is my pleasure to welcome you to the Software AG IUG for 2021. There's a reason that our IUG conference attracts more and more users every year. You can learn from each other. You can discuss what's next in the industry. But this is not something anyone can do alone. It requires a vibrant community to provide perspective and push the limits of what's possible with Software AG's powerful products. That's why this year's conference is labeled Exchange That Makes the Difference.
And now the question is that I'm asking you, who is faster? Industry people, applying software to their processes, or software people learning what it is about in an industry? We are addressing, the strong need of a connected customer experience, the strong need of, transforming data into digital business offerings, and to embrace also the ecosystem to become a player in that truly connected world of software and services and cloud.
What are the major themes that were launched in the last product release? I mean, besides the obvious theme of, super complicated products.
Actually, it's just the opposite, Pep, because our journey of making IoT easier and easier has been a big part of the last release.
It's all about customer success. We care about customer success. We care about, the continuation of delivery of the value of our technology for you, our customers.
When it comes to user adoption, it's important to really measure which features are used, which new features are used, but also which features are not used, or which features are stopped being used.
And how do we make sure our customers can benefit from all these new capabilities as soon as possible? Because the customers talk to each other, right?
So Pep, we really want all the customers talking to each other because we created a fantastic offer for them, which we called Upgrade. And this special upgrade services, it's part of a predefined, prepackaged offering that we can easily deliver to our customers. It is based on years of our experience of doing upgrades to customers.
I'm so excited to be here with you at the user conference, talking to the users about the era of user power. Good isn't good enough. We have to go beyond and be great. So how do we do that? What does it mean for a product to be not just good at its function, but a great product? So I'm going to introduce a little framework for you, hopefully a fun framework, for thinking about the ways in which products are great products. The final and perhaps most important ingredient of a great product is you, the user. You will be part of making the products great, just as you get value from them.
Today I'm talking about engineering the truly connected enterprise. The interconnected world, as we know from the physical goods shipments, the globalization, that's not new. But what is new now is that we are going to see this interconnected world we are heading to also in the digital sense. So we sort of see now an emerging digital twin of the globalization. And that's what we call a truly connected world. It's the digital twin of our already existing global economy. And that's the co-innovation. I know everyone is easily talking about that, but we really have a different process running for it. It's fundamentally creating an environment where we have our customers, often your end customers, yeah? And partners and us involved, and we then generate solutions for business problems we identified, and with that we really drive our roadmap forward to a next level.
Thank you so much, Bernd. Well, look, I have bad news and I have great news. The bad news is that this concludes the general session of this year's IUG conference. The great news is that, as I said in the very beginning, this is nowhere near the end of the IUG. There is plenty more for you to explore.